everyone, my name is Sharif. I'm in grade 3 in Reema International School. Because of coronavirus, will not go to school. At the beginning, I was sad, and when the school started, it was difficult. But now it wasn't difficult anymore, because every day I meet my friends, my teachers, through the virtual classes. We study math, science, English, Arabic, Islamic, and even arts.
Who will play with me? Is it letter A?
Yeah.
Yes.
Walid, hi Walid, hi Walid.
Nine.
A green. Super.
Do you know why? Because 14. Zero position.
What does it mean D? C, C, D.
Are happy. We can walk to the park. We'll catch a big fish. Good night. Yum, yum, yum.
No, I will say 45.
Yeah, 9 times 2 equals 18 and 2 times 9 equals 18. Mamo, Kamsa, and Yas divide 8 times divided 5. But it is not in table 5.
Easy. What is the first step? So, a grassland has many grasses, flowering plants, but few trees. You have to bring his head at the back to hear the air wave. But what about the plants?
They make their own food. Which word is Anna?
If you want, not another story. So it's the story what's right.
Photosynthesis, okay? Photosynthesis happens in the plant where
Which say which one, which way, which pay. Excellent. So you won. Right? Wait.
No, wait.
Mary answer.
Thanks my school, thanks my teachers for all what you're doing.